What up? What up? Let's have a look. Yeah, I took yesterday off. Yeah, I took yesterday off. It was good. I needed it, to be honest. Give me 1 second over here. Gold's like the election time. Yeah, it's moving upwards crazy. Like, even if you look in the weekly, we opened up this week and was like, no, I'm not even creating a bottom wick. That's how bullish I am. Look, there's no bottom wick. It just said, see you later, I'm off. And we've been moving up ever since. Oh, Big Dog Bitcoin and Dilawar, what up, my dudes? What is up? Over here on gold, so let's see if we can mark some stuff up over here. Meals, congrats on passing your challenge. That's awesome. Oh, thank you so much. Yeah, it's, man, I can't. Jess, do you know how weird, do you know what it really is like? It's like, we spend, Raja Banks' life too, we spend so much time giving to the markets. And it's like the first time I felt like I've got something back, even though I haven't got anything back financially yet. It's like, oh man, I got something. Like, you know, some sort of reward for all the effort. So it's an awesome feeling over here. It's because of fear of nukes. Interesting. All right, guys, I'm going to do a quick bit of top-down analysis here. I'll keep it brief. Like, it's pretty clear we're just in a heavy uptrend. There's not much to say. I know what the daily looks like. 4 hour, cool. 4 hour bodies look like they're getting relatively bigger, even though the 4 hours still got 2 hours before it closes, so a lot can happen in 2 hours. The 1 hour, whatever, 7 minutes left here before this 1 hour closes. 30 minute, 15. So I've marked out like a level of support here. Let me do something over here. Let me do something over here real quick. Boom. Are you profitable in the market yet, Dan? No, I still have. Well, I don't. People say that, and it's like, what exactly do you mean, right? I still have a job, if that's what you mean. But yeah, just showing up every day, brother. Just trying to do the goddamn thing, right? I'm sure it's going to sell because an order block has been verified. Shelly says here on TikTok. Yeah, maybe. Maybe. What was I putting here? Oh yeah, sells below. Sells below. But yeah, you guys passed the old challenge today. How insane is that? 25k challenge over here. Middle. No, bro. Center. So right now I'm just looking at this. Oh, you know what? Here, let me do this. Let me do this. And there's this, obviously, this clear level up here as well. So it'd be sells below, buys above. Basically, my question is, if you found your edge and you're trading it monthly and get profit out of it. Yeah, my edge, I've definitely found my edge, my strategy. I've got my shit locked down to a T. And I do have I have a profitable system, but I'm still in the stage where I still make mistakes, right? I still make mistakes. There's things that I do which is like, oh man, I veered off my strategy, right? But I'm getting much better. But when I veer off or do just the things that amateurs do, I get bit in the bum for it. And it's more just like a journey of stopping that. Buyers above, closure. Like, this is just really broad. Like, I'm just putting this text here so people will come in and they can see kind of where my head's at, sort of. But it's all circumstantial. I have to see how the markets kind of present. So this is where we're at right now. Obviously, there's 4 minutes till London opens, so we're not going to do anything until London opens. So we'll see what happens over here real quick. Hi Danny, how are you? When your fight is it? I don't know. I'm not going to be having any boxing matches for a while, if ever again. If it goes over the line at the bottom, then it's a buy. No, read what it says. If it goes over the line, it's a sell at the bottom. But even then, it's all circumstantial. So I have to kind of watch it and just make sure. And it's not just like, oh, it closed below. Like there's small things that need to be taken into consideration. Yeah, I hope my answer made sense to you there, Bog Bitcoin over there on YouTube. But yeah, check this out, you guys. Look at this. How good is this for an email? Congratulations, you have passed your challenge. Oh, it's just a beautiful thing, right? Just to see that. Oh, so many fucking... How much effort you put in just to get that. Oh, awesome, man. So we'll wait over here, got 3 minutes over here, and see if we can get something happening. See if something clear arises. Skull, what up? What up? Good to have you here. Thank you. I would love to see forming an onion setup. Oh, we'll get someone in the chat that's talking my lingo. Onion setup, buys at support on the 30. Yeah, I'd love to see that. I love it when somebody's speaking my language here, because you obviously trade similar to me. And my only reservation right now thinking about that particular setup is this is a pretty... Actually, let me measure. What's this range? Yeah, it's a 30-minute range. So if I were to get some sort of onion setup here, let me draw up what I would want to see. Let's say this candle closes like this right now. The next one comes down like down like this. Right? The next one after that comes down like this. The next one after that forms like this. And then after that, we get a wick and a continuation up, and then you take a buy. Well, I'll take a buy about there, right? Anticipating that continuation up. That would be pretty cool. The only issue is this range from here to here is pretty small. All right, this range, the support and resistance range is pretty small. But we'll see what happens. Even a fake out to which side? Like to the bottom end? See, when it comes to fake outs, let's say like the overall uptrend, the overall trend is clearly an uptrend, and you go, okay, if we had a fake out, it could be a good opportunity. Let's say this came all the way down and just dropped down like this. A lot of people take a buy right here, anticipating that or hoping that it's going to come back up. If I get a fake out, I wait for this candle to come all the way down. Typically, it will close with small to no bottom wick. The next one will reject up. So it'll close down there. The next one will reject up. And if it rejects up like that and closes back in the range, and then wicks down and flips back up, I'll typically take a buy about there. And that'll be like a fake out buy. But I'll never be somebody that tries to catch it when it's like coming down. Like I'll never be someone that tries to catch it there. I'll have to wait for it to close and break back into range. What's the name of the prop firm you use? I use a few. So the one that I just passed in was Top One Trader. And the one that I'll be trading on here, which is 100K fucking Apex. Never catch a falling knife. Yes, we've had this discussion in the chat many times. We don't catch falling knives around here. Exactly what I'm looking for too. Oh, okay, excellent. Yep, good. All right, so a London Open now. Let's see how the hourly closed. I think it closed relatively weak in comparison to the prior one. Yeah, so a bit of a smaller body here on this 1 hour candle. 4 hours, still got 2 hours left. 30-minute, created a bit of support here. 15s created a bit of support. Essentially, if this current 15 can break out above this range and close, I'll be looking at some sort of buy. That'd be pretty cool. But there's a few options, so let's just see what presents itself first. At the moment, I'm not much confident with the 15-minute time frame. I still like the 30. Yeah, I still like the 30 is much more ideal. The 15 is obviously a weaker confirmation, but the reality is you're going to miss most opportunities when you only wait for the 30. And so if I'm taking a trade based on the 15, I need to make sure that there's other confluences, right? I need to make sure we're in a trend that, you know, the higher time frames are all lining up with my overall thesis. Congrats with the account, bro. Thank you so much. Yeah, very, very happy with that one. Did you pass a 1 step or 2 steps? So this is the thing. This one was a 10% challenge with a 1 step, but you had to be profitable for 3 days. You have to show 3 days of consistent profitability. So some people would think, oh, you can come into a 1 step and just full margin it. It's like, nah, you need to have 0.5% profit 3 days consistently. And then you have to gain 10% on the account, which it doesn't seem like much, bro. 10% is a fucking lot, right? And then you got the trailing drawdown as well. I'll never do a 1 step challenge again. Even though I passed this one, it wasn't easy. It was like, oh, it's kind of set up for you to fail, to be honest. Is this gold? Yeah. Look, it says it right here. If you can't see that, then you are fired from TikTok. What's the best broker to get into? Doesn't matter. They're all the same. You just put your money in there and trade. You passed funded trader. Yeah, check this out. Congratulations. You have passed your challenge. Oh, what a great moment in life. 25K challenge. I did that one today, so it was very good. Very good. I'm on 1 step challenge with E8. And it's hard. I don't know what E8 means. Yeah, BTC in the YouTube chat there, freaking. I feel your pain. I understand that the 15s. It's obviously a weak confirmation, but at some point you're gonna have to make a decision, right? Like, otherwise you're gonna miss. You won't get a clean 30-minute setup every day. Like, it might be only like freaking every 3 days or something, to be honest, if you're just trading the one session. But yeah, I've had to do a lot of like trading and back testing and all sorts of shit to try to make sure that if I'm taking a trade off a 30 after 15, that there's other confluences as well. Oh, hello from Africa, Joy. What up? What up? Good to have you here. TikTok, I'm nearly at 1,000 likes. Oh, Grab, haven't seen you in a while, my dude. Good to see you back in the YouTube chat. What up, what up? TikTok, I'm on YouTube right now as well. Daniel Holmes Trades, full screen. None of this TikTok little awkward screen shit. Oh, what up, MX Noah? What up? I'm doing 10K one phase challenge. Yeah, it's... Good luck, brother. Like I said, I'll never do the one phase again. It's just difficult. Quick tips, bro, question mark. Well, it's too specific. Too broad. What type of ticks? So you passed it without us. Yeah, I guess so. Sorry, brother. But yeah, here it is here. I thought I'd just show you guys this anyway, because, you know, there's so many fake weird people in the trading space. But yeah, very good moment for me. I thought the 2 phase was going to be more difficult. I thought that as well, until I realized the 1 phase is 10% on an account, and the leverage as well. You can't go full margin. Like, the leverage, I couldn't risk too much as well. It was interesting how they have it structured. Like, they don't let you go full margin type shit. And you have to have 3 days of consistent profits, and there's a trailing drawdown as well. So it was a bit more difficult than I thought it was going to be in terms of like the rules and things like that. Oh, 1K likes. Yes, thank you. Thank you, guys. You are the G's of the world. What's the payouts like and the leverage? Sorry. I don't know what the payouts are like just yet, but I know the leverage, they don't let you leverage too much. They don't let you leverage too much. How many likes do you want? All of them. All of the possible likes. Yeah, nice Bitcoin. Yeah, that's to go. Oh, you are. Yeah, that's why, Bog. That's why you're saying some things which I was like, oh yeah, I like to hear that because you're speaking the same language. Even Grav in the chat there as well. Grav trades very similar to us. Well, what up, Mikey? Good to have you. Good to see you again, my dude. I'm stuck at 6k profits on my 200k account, bro. That's better than being stuck in 6k drawdown. Just it means there's just a minor tweak that maybe you need to make. Minor. You're already there, bro. You've done it. You're him. You're him, bro. Next step, payout. Yes, absolutely. So my goal with this payout is, bro, I'll take whatever I can get. I just want to take from the market. Like, motherfucker, it's your turn to give me something, and that's it. Like, I'll be happy. I just want to be able to take, bro, give me $2. If I can withdraw $2, I'm like, yeah, that's good. Okay, Grab, I'm with you. Yeah, back in business, my dude. I'll give you 20k. How do you give? You can't give 20k. You mean spam your finger? Did you go with FTMO? I don't go with FTMO anymore. Their leverage amount in Australia is too low. They don't let you trade. They don't let you leverage too much. So it's just like, bro, I'm not going to be stuck in a challenge for 6 months just because you can't let me leverage, because you can't let me risk 1%. Everything I know came from Nick's teachings. Oh, amazing. Yep. Yeah, I've learned a bit from Nick as well, for sure. So myself, Nick, Raja, and Donvo, we all trade very similar. I think we all trade, like, I'm not on their level, obviously, but we have our own take. J Flicks, what up? Keep chipping away on it, brother. WRCH. I don't know how to say your name. Whatever the market gives you. Yep, that's it. So you guys, if we get some sort of breakout up here, let me have a look. Let me do a quick little scan through. We've got a nice bit of 30-minute support here. If a 15, just like, check this out, you guys. I think it would make sense, right? If this 15 pushes up here, breaks out, the next one kind of wicks down and just tests, show me that it doesn't want to be down there, flips back up and keeps going, then I could take a buy at the break of the previous candle's wick. That makes sense, right? That seems like it makes sense. We're on an uptrend. We've got some support. Everything's pointing upwards. We just need a candle closure to give further confirmation, really. Yeah, Australia is pretty strict with regulations and trading, with regards to trading and stuff like that, to be honest. Dan, do you reckon we should use magic keys? I'm all for pumping up someone's business, but I don't see the benefit. I don't see the benefit, but I like the idea of somebody making money off a business, so yeah, buy it. I personally don't see the benefit. You could almost... It's too bad we're in such an aggressive uptrend and this range is a bit too small, because this could be a nice little sell back down into this support, but the uptrend's too aggressive, and yeah, and a couple other things. Yeah, Dilawar. See how you... I don't know. What to sell below closure price? Jump on YouTube and you'll be able to see it. Daniel Holmes Trades on YouTube. You get the whole screen there. You can see the price and numbers and things like that. Oh, Dimmer, I like that you pulled yourself up there. You said, is this gold? And then 2 comments later, you said, oh, I saw it right. That's what I like to see. People actually are looking at the screen. Can you be my mentor? Join the Discord and I can be your friend. Not so much your mentor. Dan, I have a question. If this candle gives a breakout, then You will buy the next candle, but don't want to see some more market structure. What type of market structure would you like to see, Grav? I'm curious. Because on the 30, we've got a bit of support there. So if it breaks out past that, I know there's a 30-minute support there. That's a good sign. We've got a 15-minute support. What I'd be interested to know what you mean by that, Grav. What's your favorite setup? Probably the breakout, just a textbook breakout. It's the first setup I probably ever learned when I learnt trading, and I'm pretty well versed with it. Not that it's like 100% hit rate or anything like that, but I've got really good intuition around breakouts now, just because I've done it. That's the main setup I've always traded. I like the onion. I like the celery. Like all them Nick Donvu setups as well. Do you do one-on-one live sessions? No, I would say just rock up to this stream and we can do a one-on-one live session in the chat. I would say that. I reckon that'd be pretty cool. So we've got 3 minutes over here with this 15 to close. Just say this 15 closes how it is now, like relatively bearish, and then the next one flips up. That will actually show a 30-minute breakout, which is more ideal than a 15. And we've got some nice support here on the 15 as well. Donvo scammed a lot of people. He's not one of the OGs. Yeah, it's pretty rough. It's pretty rough, hey. It's pretty rough. I think people would forgive him as well if he just came out and said, you know what, guys, I fucked up. I went on bad tilt and I just traded terribly and blew a bunch of money. I'm so sorry. But instead, he's kind of like, even made a couple of tweets and stuff, kind of doubling down, saying, like, fuck the haters type thing. And like, bro, they're not your haters. They want to know where their money went. But yeah, it's none of my business, whatever. Yeah, very crazy, hey. Very crazy. You trading Bitcoin now? No, but I traded Bitcoin a bit. Let's have a look at Bitcoin. Yeah, crazy. Anyway. Do you know when to sell? I know everything. I don't know. I know exactly when to sell or buy, but do I know what the outcome's going to be? No. So it's one of these types of situations. Yeah, I agree with you, Bog. Have you seen the meme coin trade? No, but I got to tell you guys, hey, just with like TikTok or even YouTube chat, but probably just TikTok, can you guys put a Y in the chat if you've been trading for a year or under? Like, can you guys put a Y in the chat? Like just a yes if you've been trading for 1 year or less. Yep, look, here we go. Okay, interesting. Interesting. Okay, that's good to see. I got to tell you guys, can I give you guys a piece of advice? You've come into this trading world at a very interesting time because all crypto and all meme coins and altcoins and all these things are all popping off right now, right? So you're coming into a world which is diluted right now heavily by get-rich-quick schemes. You've got to make the distinction. Am I coming into trading as somebody that's trying to use as like a casino and maybe just quick financial gain? Or are you coming into this to try to learn the day trading skill set so you can carry that on to the rest of your life and make consistent profits? If that's the case, then you need to completely block out all of this altcoin, meme coin, crypto shit and just focus on the skill set. Because again, you've come in at a really tricky time where there's a lot of deceptive behavior around these flipping your cash type schemes. And it's all because all the crypto games, booming right now. Don't be fooled. or unless you want to make the distinction, I'm in it for that, or I'm in it because I want to learn the skill set. I think you should really figure it out, because yeah, there's a lot of deceptive stuff going on right now with the boom of all this crypto and things like that. Yep, see Dilawar, yeah, bro. Because even all my feeds are getting like spam with all this crypto, like, you know, I just flipped this or this and that, and I could see how it would draw a lot of people that are relatively new to this world in, and I think it's relatively dangerous. What app are you using? TradingView. What time frame? 15. Elliot, yeah, I remember the last meme coin run. The dump was huge. Yeah. Always skill set. That's the way, man. You made me change my mind. I was about to buy a coin. I guess, again, you just have to come at it with the angle of like, am I doing this because I'm trying to flip cash quickly, which still, even that is extremely risky and not guaranteed at all. Or am I in it because I want to consistently make profits for the rest of my life and help my family, friends, and change my fucking, do whatever grand visions you have for yourself that financial gain could bring. Make the distinction in your mind, because otherwise you're gonna keep getting sucked into these silly things. I'm learning to trade gold only. I love that, man. I love that. Good. I'm the same. I only trade gold. I do agree with how many lies there are in the game at the moment. On that, I do have some coins for a joke. Okay, there you go. Like, you've got it, but you're not taking it serious. Like, you're not in it. Like, I'm all in because I'm trying to like flip it or whatever this shit is. Like, if you want to play with these meme coins or altcoins or the crypto game, I feel like you have to approach it with like a silly, like, I'm just playing with a little bit of cash that I'm willing to lose. But if you're coming into trading because you want to make consistent profits over the long term, act like a professional. Come into it with that mindset. Like, this is a long-term game and it's a skill set that I can learn. I just have to be willing to obviously learn it and take the time. If you're trying to make more money than a surgeon, and a surgeon has to freaking study for 10 years, and you think you can make more money than that in like 6 months just by being a silly goose? No, you have to take it serious. What time frame are you on? 15 minutes. I agree with that, Gold Pro Trader. In the TikTok chat, he said, if you want to play with crypto, just stick to Bitcoin. Bitcoin seems like the one that's going to be around, right? It's going to be the one around. Like, it makes the most sense. Not that I don't have any investment in Bitcoin or anything, but it just seems like that's the one that's going to be here, right? Are you going to make a buy? If what happens on the text on my screen happens, then I potentially will. Dude, the NFT was the biggest skip, bro. Remember NFTs? I remember NFTs, it was like, oh man, I guess these are something because everyone's doing it, but it just doesn't make sense. And people are like, nah, man, Web3, like if you have this NFT, it's going to be like a key to freaking Pluto. And it's like, okay, I guess, like a picture of an ant is going to be like, you know, get you into heaven type shit. What do you think it's reached? What do you think it's reached to 6? What do you mean? 15-minute time frame. So let's see if this one can break out. Again, I'm going to need a closure. Like, and the thing is, like, I might miss it because look what happened here, you guys. The exact same setup happened here, but this time, when this candle broke out, it didn't close here. It just kept going without me. Not that I was going to trade it. I won't be looking for an impulse buy there. I need a breakout, essentially like where it is now. I need it to close kind of in that range, but it's still got 10 minutes before it closes. So we'll have to see what happens over here. Where's your breakout buy target? You can see, look. And if you want to see the whole screen and see the price, just type Daniel Holmes Trades into YouTube. I'm live on YouTube right now, and you can see like the price and the full screen type shit. Oh, Ryan, what up, my dude? What up? Chilling. Look at this. Passed the challenge today. 25K challenge. Oh, Incredible scenes. You should put your time frame on the screen. Yeah, I've thought about it, but there's no way to do it on TikTok, unfortunately. You can see it on the YouTube screen, but there's no way to do it on TikTok. Oh, thank you for the flower over there, TikTok Ghost. Congrats, brother. Thank you. Appreciate that, bro. Appreciate that. So how long will it take you to get past? A couple weeks. Thanks, guys. Thank you. We wait for the setups to come to us. Don't chase them. Absolutely. Yep. And I'm happy to let a trade potentially leave. Like if this leaves without me, it's like whatever. It is what it is. Like there's nothing I can do about it. No, we don't buy now. Buy now is what a inexperienced trader would do. A professional will say, I need to wait for my strict rules to be hit. And if it leaves without me, that's okay. Because the market's not going anywhere. Because it can go up and then a new setup arises. Yeah, I wasn't on the charts yesterday. I took a day off. I needed a day off, to be honest. I needed a day off. I wanted to rock up just for the stream because I do enjoy being on the stream and talking to you guys and see what's up with you guys. But the interesting thing is I needed a day off. Yeah, so we're getting some sort of volume over here pushing up past that point. I was a bit skeptical because it still had like 10 minutes to go. I was like, it looks like it wants to kind of leave without us a little bit here. I wouldn't, if it rejects from here and still breaks out, I'll be interested, but I wouldn't want it to go too much higher than where it is. What up, Graffiti? Good to see you, my dude. How could you be live in two places? Yeah, I'm a wizard. I'm on YouTube right now and on TikTok. Yeah. EU's playing above his own. Yeah. Yeah, look at this, you guys. Man, gold is just fucking off to the moon, eh? If you don't mind me asking, how many fundeds have you blown? Oh, heaps, bro. Over 10. Over 10. A lot. I started, I didn't start loaning, but when I started to take trading more serious, I only used funded accounts. I never traded with my own capital. I have traded my own capital, but I've always traded funded accounts. So obviously in the early days of blown accounts, but even like not even the early days, I got blown accounts in the, you know, relatively recent and shit. But it kind of is what it is. Like it's just how it goes. It is how it goes. Are you going to buy after the 15-minute closure? I'll have to make an educated decision. I'll wait to see what happens with this candle. I'll have to wait to see what happens with this candle. Let me do a little quick bit of a flick through here on the time frames. 4 hour. The 4 hour. I'm a bit skeptical because we're kind of near on this kind of 4 hour rejection zone over here to the left. You guys. How do you, can I, oh, you can do that. So check this out, you guys. I'm on the 4 hour chart right here, and this is to the left hand side. Like if you scroll to the left quite a bit, we can see that the price, like where it currently is to the right, is at this level here. What's at this level? A lot of rejections on the 4 hour candles, right? Interesting. I do take that into consideration, to be honest. Even though it's like, when is this? This was October, the 3rd of October. But it's a strong 4 hour zone and it's right where we're at now. So we have to be really smart over here with what's going on over here. So let's just see. Is 15 time frame good confirmation for trend? It's not as good as the 30, but if other confluences all line up, it can be enough. But this is a 30-minute break. This will be a 30-minute closure as well. This will be a 30-minute closure. Yeah, gold's doing crazy volume. I've been trading the same top 1 challenge for 5 months. Wow. Yeah, that's, to be able to hold onto a challenge for a long time is a really good thing, I believe. It's a lot of discipline. Pullback expected around 2645 That's a 4-hour FVG. Yeah. I don't know about any of that shit. Yeah, the 30-minute closure is much stronger than a 15. It's just the only issue with waiting for 30-minute closures all the time is you don't get them all the time. Like, by the time you wait for a 30 closure, the price has already moved and you kind of miss out. So that's why it's good to kind of stack confluences. I know I am a trader and waiting for my analysis to hit also. Yeah, just that's all you got to do. Sit on your hands and just wait for exactly what you want to see. Like, I'm sure you could close your eyes, well, not close your eyes, but you could look at this and vision exactly what you want to see. And it's like, until I see that, I'll just sit on my hands, because I know for me personally, like, if I black this out, I know that I'm waiting for this candle here to come up like this, close like this, the next one to wick down and then push up, and I'm going to take a buy about there. I know that this would be a wick like this because that one's already gone up quite far, but I'm kind of looking at something like that. And until I see that, then there's no point of me doing anything. Oh, you're 2K away from passing the challenge? Nice, nice. Did they really, Ben? Oh, Chris, what up, my dude? Good to see ya. Good to see ya. Go to number, bro? What does that mean? Damn, look at this, kind of just cruising off, right? Oh, 150 away from passing. Nice, nice. You guys in the TikTok chat, you should jump in the Discord there. It's in my bio on TikTok. Sell now, bro. Dan, I'm trying to join your Discord, but I can't. No, you should be able to. All you need to do is click that. I think there's a button that says click invite, and that's what you need to do. And I think it'll either let you in a second or I'll have to accept it or whatever. Daniel, I have a question. Yeah, hit me, bruh. Dogecoin good now, bro. I went on a big rant just before about coins, so I won't go on a rant again. So I don't know. My answer is I don't know, bro. Sorry. Buys, question mark. At least you're not saying sells when the market's moving aggressively up. I was waiting for an opportunity here, but it's kind of taken off, so I'm just gonna have to hang out for a second and see what happens over here. It could be some sort of fake out as well. I know this is a high rejection zone on the 4-hour in October to the left. This is a high, exactly where it is a very high rejection zone. And sometimes when price impulsively moves, like where you're like, that's kind of weird, right? It can hit that 4-hour rejection zone and then reject back. So you'll get, if I get a closure here with a small body, a small top wick, I won't be surprised if it rejects. It detected your live chat didn't appear on the screen. Bro, what are you talking about? Yeah, look at this. It's about to close with no top wick, you guys. Oh, it got a wick there. Lucky. With the war. A reversal candle can come. Check it out. Check what out? Wow, you guys. Look at this. So that was a 30-minute closure up there. These types of scenarios, if this does push up further, it's just like, bro, there's nothing you can do. Like, the only people that would have caught that trade is like gamblers almost. Like people that are just like, Like, what are you going to do type shit. Yo, I just seen your video, Dan. Funded. Good stuff, man. Oh, appreciate that, brother. Yeah, very happy over here. Congratulations, you have passed the challenge. Yeah, very good feeling. Thank you, bro. Gold is pumping very hard. Yep. It's just saying, hey, you guys that are trying to catch a ride of me, nah, I'm out of here, bruh. I'm off. But anything can happen. Let's just see. Can you line up your trading view? No, because if I bring trading view over, then you won't be able to see the candles. Like, you have to sacrifice something. I'm on YouTube right now. You can see everything. Daniel Holmes Trades on YouTube. You can see the whole screen, price numbers, everything. Yeah, I can't seem to get your Discord. No, you can, bro. If you just click the bio and then click, because people always say this, and I say what actually happens, and then they just show a screen where it says click invite, and then you click invite, accept invite, and then you just hang out for a sec, and then you'll be able to get in. Ah, Ben, you're in. Okay. No, it's obviously not. I shouldn't be saying the G word on this, mambling. But I think it would have been a relatively risky buy. Not giving us anything to enter. Yeah, you're right. Wow, look at this. Holy shit. All right, I'll tell you what I'll look for in a sec. Let's look to the left here. Where could it have some issues over here? So this is a 30-minute. I have some support coming up here. I'm going to say that we need to hang out for a second here. Fucking hell. We need to hang out for a second here. There's nothing. I can't even plan for a potential, like what I can look for next until I get closer to seeing how this candle closes over here. Because it's like NFP just freaking hit. Aren't you feeling washed not riding that pump? No, because I don't have FOMO. I'm a professional. I know that if I miss a move, another move will come. And not that if I missed the move, it didn't present any opportunity to take it. Yes, resistance is going to occur. Yeah, we'll see. One thing I learned from Raja: when a trend, follow the bitch. Yeah. But with that being said, you still have to wait for the actual opportunity to enter. What are you waiting for? Well, anything can happen, you guys. So when it moves so impulsively like this, I can't really say what I'm waiting for just yet. I want to wait till this 15 gets closer to being closed. I need to see how this candle closes here. I'll start to build like a bit of a thesis once it starts to look closer to being a closed candle. What are your thoughts on USD JPY? Last I looked at it, it was going up. I'm curious. Oh, yeah, it's not doing much. It's going up, whatever. Sorry, I don't know if you wanted a full analysis, but yeah. Oh, your thoughts are buy for it. Actually, let me have one more quick little look. Oh, shit, I wouldn't be buying. Look at it. I would not be buying when it's aggressively moving down. That's for sure. That is for sure. It's like me looking at gold and be like, yeah, I'm looking at sells. It's like, bro, why? Look at it. People do that all the time. We call it catching a falling knife in these chats. Don't sell yet. Bro, it's no don't sell yet. It's don't sell at all. It's going up. Respect you for sticking to your guns. Yeah, we'll just wait it out. It's all right. What about if it closes to the touch of FEG? I don't know anything or care about FEGs. I just look at candles. I don't care about FEGs, order blocks, freaking market manipulation, any of the weird new trendy shit. I don't care. I'm just looking at candles. I'm just looking at how candles form and close, and that's it. Can I take profit now? Depends. Trading against the trend. No, people do it all the time. Like the market will be aggressively move up. They're like, I'm taking a sell. It's like, all right, bro. Broad. Sweet bog. Sweet as, bruh. Catch it a Moz. Wow, look at this. So let's measure this range real quick over here. You guys, 70 pips. It's just moved up aggressively. Since London Open. Wow. Wow. Sound like Gordon Ramsay. Wow. Fuck me. Wow. You fucking donkey. You're kidding me. This is fucking crazy. Wow. I'm selling. Okay, bro. I guess you're doing it because you're hoping that it's gone too far. Maybe I could get it at a cheap price. Is gold going up tonight? I don't know. It's going up right now, though. It's going up right this second. The thing is, like, there's like people that look at this and go, I'm gonna take a sell, because you're like, if it does start to reject now, then you get a nice, pretty juicy sell, and you feel a bit safe with where your stop is and things like that. And maybe it'll work this time. But if you're trying to build longevity, bro, you're just playing with fire. Like, it's not a good long-term game. Wait for confirmation before you sell. Yeah, absolutely. Absolizzle. Thank you for the follow over there on TikTok. EAB tag 165. But change your name to just Bob or Joe or something. All right. Yeah, exactly. Grav, look at this in the YouTube chat, you guys. Grav says there's no bottom wick on this candle, nothing. Like, you just have to sit on your hands for a bit. Pranay Jai M. In capitals, no FOMO. Staying out of the trade when the setup isn't right is just as much as the success as entering a profitable one. Yep. 100%, you guys. Because I guarantee you could think back on all the times you've taken L's, and it's typically from your lack of patience, where you're just like, oh, fuck it, I'm just going to enter. Oh, history, what up, my dude? You think that Asia's low is going to get taken out? I don't even know where that is. So, what are the stages of Forex? I don't know what that means. What do you mean? What are the stages? What's your edge in trading? My gigantic POV of the markets. Yeah, there's no bottom wick on the weekly either. I know, it's insane. Like, the week just opened up and took off and didn't stop. It's crazy. Yeah, man, I made 3,000 today with this trade. Oh, fucking nice, bro. Good stuff, man. Yeah, thanks for the follows over there, TikTok. For now, I expect to take out highs. Yeah. Can I sell? You can, but it wouldn't make sense, but go for it. Like, tell me what color is on the screen, right? All you can see is green, aggressively. What part of you, other than the word that rhymes with mambalin, and it starts with a G, what other than that would give you the reason to take a sell? Right? You might as well just go to the casino. I think that would make, at least that's like kind of 50-50. Play some roulette. Put it all on red or something. I think that would make sense. The left side. Okay, so you go, we're hitting a level of resistance to the left. I'm just going to click sell. Is that really that's enough of a confirmation for you to put your hard-earned money on the line? Is just go, oh, there's a level there. I'm going to click sell. Like, don't you want to stack confluences? You want to have multiple things and then wait for, I don't know, you do you, bro. You do you, actually. Wow, how fucking far did I go there? Yeah, just wait for the closure. Just wait for the closure. That's right. Alright, so we've got 3.5 minutes over here for this 15 to close. It'll be interesting to see how it closes. Always wait for confirmation, 100%, man. Again, it's about longevity. It's not about trying to get a decent trade, like a sneaky little trade here. God will strike you down. You can't get away with anything in these markets. And if you do get away with a sneaky trade, the universe has a way of stinging you, bro. Because you build a weird, you get rewarded for bad behavior. It's like your dog biting someone and then you giving him a treat. You don't want to reward yourself for bad behavior. A very bad boy. Selling on a Drizzy candle? What? Selling on a BBL Drizzy candle. Thank you for the follow over there, RZA on TikTok. Gang. Why do you trade gold, bruh? That shit is scary. No, it's just your perception of... It's just your perception of fear. If you didn't believe in ghosts, you wouldn't be scared at night in a room alone in the dark. It's all perception. It's perspective. The 4-hour candle looks wild, man. So many greens. Yeah, I know. It's insane. Do you mentor? No, but I do have a Discord in my bio. You should join the Discord and we can be friends. I like to be friends with traders. I just had a Telegram suggest sells. Of course you did. Yeah. So these telegrams and these signal things, which are just popping off at the moment as well, because I know all these new traders are coming into the game since Trump's election. They'll wait till price gets to like a level of support or resistance and then just tell you to click buy or sell. It's a 50% chance whether it's going to go up or down, and yeah, that's what they do over there. You tracking the USD news, man? No, I pay attention to red folder news. I know we've got unemployment claims tonight, but that's about it. Please, can I sell now, sir? We just went on a big rant about that. Got here late. You plan to get on the short. What short? Because the market's moving up aggressively, so I'm just waiting over here now. Just messed the whole day by selling gold. Brother. If you were in this chat earlier, you would have heard me discourage you from such activities. Fuck me. Oh, I'm on fire today. I'm fired. I'm firing on all cylinders. Oh, you're in the UK. I'm in Australia. Guys, we've got a minute here for this candle to close. Very strong closure up here. We've had 2 strong green candles. The 30's still open. The 1 hour's got another 15 to go. And the 4 hour, I think, has an hour and a bit. Yeah. Yeah, my only thing was on the 4 hour, we are reaching, like, in October, we had this... like, we're here right now, but in October, you can see this is like a 4 hour rejection zone. But again, I'm not just going to go, you know what, it's at that zone, I'm taking a sell. No, I need to wait for a candle to close and a red to print and then a fucking, you know, you need some confluence. Me personally. So I don't know, I'm going to have to wait and see. I'm still bullish. The market's moving up, so I don't really care about that. It's just a thought. It's all green, sell at your own risk. Yes, I like to hear such words. Oh, thank you for the follow over there on TikTok, Callan Roth. Not to be mistaken with the Rothschild. Oh, thank you for the follow over there on TikTok, Ed Marger 1. Thank you for the follow over there on TikTok, OR. Just buy it, it's going up. Lol. No, that's very naughty advice. That's very naughty advice. Let's have a look over here. Oh, thank you for the follow over there, Alpha Tech. Are we still in a downtrend? Bro. 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 This is the weekly chart, bro. Type shit. So this candle just opened up. Let's get serious over here, guys. Candle body's a bit smaller than the one prior. Decent wick. It's not a 50% wick, but it's a decent wick. What confirmation are you waiting for? So I'm in a tricky spot right here. Like, this is just going to be a time like TikTok. I know people have short attention spans, but if you're a trader, it's you know that it's just a waiting game right now. Nothing clean is popping up just yet. The market kind of just shot up without any real indication. But we're still in London. There's still many opportunities that can arise. So, we just have to be traders, and what do traders do? You just wait, right? You wait for an opportunity. Right now, it's just a couple of green candles. The 1 hour closes at the close of this current candle. And we're gonna have to wait to see how this current candle closes. Can you explain the 2 1-week candles, if you don't mind? The 2 1-week candles, as in the 2 past week candles. Really, all it is this was obviously all-time highs here, and this was pre-election. This was around election time here. No, sorry, yeah, around there. And then when Trump got in, obviously for whatever reason, I don't know and I don't care, but it pushed the market down a lot for gold. And now we're just kind of working our way back up for whatever reason. You need to ask someone that's got an economics degree and things like that. Maybe there's factors that I'm unaware of, but I don't really care. I just try to get a piece of the pie along the way. But yeah, a lot of it has to do with elections and things like that to get that crazy volume. Gold trader, I will, but not right now because I have to do it in that actual. Oh, I suppose I don't. Yeah, I'll show you soon. I'll show you soon. What are you waiting for? We have to wait for this candle to close. I have to wait for this candle to close, and then see from there. Do you think it's going up or down? I don't know. It doesn't matter. But whatever it does, we'll try to capitalize on it. Because yeah, that's what trading's about. Just wait for the setup. And right now, there's no setup. So let's just sit on our hands and be patient, because trading's all about patience, and wait for that setup. Should we buy? I don't know, bro. Do you think it's going to go up or down? I don't know. Yeah, let's have a look at Bitcoin. Oh yeah, it's starting to form a bit of resistance, support now. What type of setup are you looking for? Let me think. Maybe something, so let me turn these off. Maybe something similar to what we've just got here and here. But the only issue is, you guys, on both of these situations here where I was waiting for a breakout above, like you go, okay, there's resistance, let's wait for a candle to break out and then take a buy after that. Both times the breakout candle left without closing above and giving us an opportunity to join the journey. Both of them just left, right? And on days like that, yes, there's a time and a place to take that impulsive buy. But for me, I don't feel comfortable with that right now. It's just not the way I like to trade. And that's okay. Don't have to trade every day. Don't have to get every trade. I'll wait for an opportunity where my actual setup arises, because it rocks up nearly every day. Oh, thank you for all the gifts over there on TikTok, you guys. Parker, Chris, and Les. Gang. Parker, that gift that you gave me the other week was $7. That's fucking wild, bro. Do you always wait for the third candle to close after the breakout? I have no like particulars in terms of like third candle and things like that. No. 20 minutes later, I'm still waiting for the candle to close. Just kidding, bro. Well, bro, no, that's true. That is true. It's very true. More like probably an hour. Like it's just a waiting game, and I'm fine with that because I've learned the hard way. What's worse pain for you guys? The pain of just it was a no trade day, or the pain of damn it, I'm just gonna take this subpar trade, and then you lose. And you're like, god damn it, now I'm in the red, right? I'll rather have a no trade than a losing trade. I'm on shorts because of the order block. Hope it goes well. Ooh, hope's dangerous in trading. Expecting a doji candle reverse now. Yeah, as long as, I guess if it lines up with other confluences for yourself, good luck. There's a lot of volume now, so that might not work. You mean it might not work in terms of getting that breakout opportunity? Maybe, but there's a lot of volume every day, you guys. Let's be honest. I've been trading 2.5 years, and that getting that candle closure breakout is pretty much happens every day. So, but even then, there's other opportunities as well. Happy to I appreciate that, brother. That was tripped me out because usually I'm like, oh man, I got 70 cents today, and I was like, whoa, $7. That was from Parker. It's going to form a doji in 10 minutes. Whoa, we've got a crystal ball over here. Okay. You heard of the Fibonacci retracement? Yeah, I just don't use it. I don't use it. And I don't think it's really relevant in this type. Oh, I guess unless you're taking it from like unless you're taking it from the top of this range here, right? Is that what you mean? Like sometimes I won't take it serious, but I can see like the levels typically a lot of the time get respected. It's quite interesting. Yeah, if some of you fib traders are looking at entry off that, that's cool. I'm with you, Parker. Yeah, look, I guess some people like to stack it with other confluences, maybe. I don't know. Oh, thank you for the follow over there on TikTok, Danny. Danny boy. Sick name. All right, so look at this in the 30, you guys. Getting some sort of rejection over here. Patience is key. Absolutely, bro. The 1 hour is leaving a big old wick over here. And yeah, we'll see what happens. I would much rather this to come back down to this kind of range. I'll tell you what I might look for, you guys. Check this out. Now that like I said, I'm waiting for the candle to get closer to like give me a bit more information, not when it just opens up. But just say this candle right here. All right, let me drag this over here. Let's just say this candle right here closes something like it is now. The next one comes down and closes something like this. The one after that closes something like this. The one after that closes something like this, engulfing that previous one. Next one wicks and then shoots up. Like obviously that's a clean version of it, but that would be like it would come back down and turn this prior resistance into support and then bounce off it and continue on the uptrend. Man, I didn't take this trade yesterday, but this exact setup, but going the other way, rocked up. And I looked at this setup and I literally started laughing. It made me feel like warm on the inside. Check this out. Where the flip is it? Oh, let me find it, please. I just talked it up so much. Oh, right here. It doesn't look like much right now, but let me show you. This for me is like frothing from the freaking dick. This exact reversal setup right here. Like, look how the candles came up. They're getting progressively smaller, and then they flip the other end and get progressively bigger. I take a sell right here, and it just came down 30 pips, very clean, and oh, it was just so perfect, man. And you very rarely see like that perfect arch where the candles are kind of just clearly telling you what they're doing. I was like, when I seen that, I was just like, I actually laughed out loud. I was like, oh my god, that's orgasmic. So we've got these zones here. Let's see what happens. 4 minutes over here for the candle closure. Looks exactly what it's going to do. The 1 minute. Yeah, but the 1 minute's a weak confirmation. That's the only issue there. Oh, thank you for the follow over there on TikTok. RMAZXZ. You guys, on my TikTok bio, I've got a Discord there. Join the Discord if you're a true gangster. If you're a true trading G. Yeah, you got 3 minutes here for this closure. The 30 is going to show rejection. The 1 hour's got a wick. We'll see. We'll see. Can you try the fib on the 5 minute, bro? I think there's no way that you would use a fib off the 5 minute right here, surely. Like, where are you dragging it to? Is your Discord where you teach from scratch? Not necessarily, but I will start putting more and more things in there in terms of like educational content for sure. I'm tempted to just hold buys. Yeah, check the 30 minute. Yeah, I know the 30 minutes kind of rejecting a little bit over here. Getting some sort of shooting star, I guess people would call it on the 30. 1 hour's leaving a wick. But a lot can happen over here in 2 minutes, so we'll just have to wait and see, eh? Oh, thank you for the follow over there on TikTok. Yeah, you, yo. And Boris. So, bro, I'm honestly going to start flipping out if people don't just make your name Bob. Like, just make it Bob. What's your win rate? 100%. Imagine I was like some scammer guy. I was like, yeah, my win rate's 100%. Bro, there's a guy on TikTok I've seen. He's gotten his like live stream. He's like, my win rate's 90%. It's like, bro, it's just, it's not though. It's not though, right? Because otherwise you wouldn't be on TikTok streaming. You would be literally in a Dubai penthouse with freaking gold-plated teeth. 2 minutes to closure. Yeah, 2 minute closure. We're getting some sort of red candle here for now. We'll wait and see. A lot can happen in that last minute. Let's sell now. Shelly, you do it and then tell us how you go. Report back to us. You guys, look at this. Isn't this a fantastic email to get? Congratulations. After 2.5 years of learning and grinding this freaking game, my dudes. It's all coming together. My trading's improved exponentially since I've started to stream as well. I don't know if it's going to pull back sprinkles. No one knows. We'll just have to wait and see, right? It's a hard game, a very difficult game. So get this, you guys. I've competed in bodybuilding competitions. I've had a few boxing fights, and I've done well. I've placed first, and I've worked my ass off, and I've won my matches and things like that. And it was very difficult to prepare for those things. Trading is way harder. Way harder. And for these competitions, you're in like a 3-month camp where you're dieting, training twice a day, you're doing cardio, you're pushing your body and mental to the extreme. Trading's way harder. Way harder. So, reporting back live, I blew my account. Did you actually, Wayne? I hope you're joking. That wick doesn't look appealing now. So we just got a closure over here. Let's have a look. The 30, that looks like a strong closure right there. Like that's a strong bullish candle. The 1 hour closed so bullish, bro. You guys, we're in a tricky spot here right now. I'm not going to lie. And no one can look at this right now and say, there's a clear opportunity to take a position here, buy or sell. Like, bro. Oh, you're joking, Wayne. Okay. Let me use my brain. The 4 hours got an hour left. The 1 hour just closed. The 30-minute. There's nothing happening, you guys. There's nothing happening in terms of like a clear indication of a position to take just yet. What's the time? So I'm gonna hang out for a bit. Like, it's okay if nothing arises, right? It's preserving capital. Thought construction was hard until I started trading. Bro, legit. I know, like the mental strain. Because the reason why it's so hard is because you actually have to look in the mirror. You have to actually become a better person, right? You really do. Because what happens with trading, people do it for a while, and those that have a bit of success and then they give up in like a couple months, whatever. And then there's others that push through for like a year and they get to that point where it's really difficult and you actually start losing money. At that point, I think you hit a level where you're like, I don't know if I've got trading problems now. I think I've got personal problems. You have to start to become a better person and start to really know yourself very well. And I think a lot of people just go, fuck all this, I'm done. But if you push through and actually do the personal work, and fuck me, you guys. All right, well, what's going on over here? Oh, thank you for the follow over there, Dragon Ball Z. Sometimes I feel like I'm a market maker, and next day I'm humbled massively. Yeah, definitely. I feel you, bro. Trading is going to test your level of patience big time. Your patience and your resilience, and it's painful because you make mistakes and you have to look back on those mistakes and be like, I really did that, right? I really lost my patience, or I really got aggressive and revenge traded and lost even more than I needed. Hit them likes, people. Yeah, listen to Chris in the chat, TikTok. I'm nearly at 10K likes, you guys. If I get to 10K, I'll literally be so happy, because that's freaking 10,000 times people touch their thumb on the screen. That's freaking wild. Hi Daniel, how are you? Today gold buy. Oh, okay, nice. Good shit, Yasmin. I'm really good, thanks. I hope you're doing well. It's good that... What journal do you use? I use Notion. I paid for a journal and then I kind of customized it myself. Dan, congrats on passing that challenge. Means you get a live account. Yes, bro. Thank you so much, Mikey. Appreciate that, bro. It's a big, a very surreal moment, to be honest, because I've always traded funded accounts, and to actually pass one finally is like, I feel pretty numb, but it's like, yeah, wow, that's so freaking, that's cool. Ron, I'm short. Bro, I told you, I remember your name, and I gave you the analogy of why it's a bad idea. Oh, thank you for the gifts over there on TikTok. I'm 6'40". Yeah. Scott in the chat, buy or sell with a question mark. Everyone, Scott in the chat has put buy or sell with the flippin' question mark. I don't know, bro. I don't know. I have to wait. Because what's happened so far is 3 green candles have been printed. And when they did print, they impulsively left. Right? What are you going to do until a red candle prints? It's kind of like floating. Right now, it's floating in the air and anything can happen. You need some sort of support for it to be like, okay, let's hold still for a sec and then let's plan our next move type shit. How can anyone say sell? Yes, Bongi has the perfect answer. Scott, the answer is wait. Don't buy or sell unless you have some sort of unless you have a strategy that for whatever reason works perfectly with, I don't know. Yeah, unless you have something going on there. Support and resistance, supply and demand. I don't know much about supply and demand, but I guess it's the same shit, right? I'm gonna have to I'll move this here. I'll move this here. And I'm gonna get rid of this for now. So we have this support level here. I'll keep the buys there because if it does come down and bounce off it, I'll be interested. Is there a chance that gold goes gold? Bam. Wow, brain tumor. Is there a chance that wow, bro. Is there a chance that gold goes down? Ron, I know you're saying that because you're probably still holding sells. I would say there is a chance. I just don't know when that is, bro. I'm sorry. I don't know when. Because right now it keeps moving up aggressively. I agree with you, Lee. I know, it's crazy, bro. Didn't go the way you wanted, said Shays in the chat. It just kind of like I wanted an opportunity to be a part of the trade, which was a candle closure, but it kind of has a lot of volume right now, and it kind of left without giving an indication. I could have taken an impulse buy, but in these types of scenarios, I wouldn't do that. You know what? Maybe I would have on the 30. If the 30, yeah. If the 30 wick was a bit different, I potentially would have, but that's all right. Where's the support point? If you want to see the exact number or where the support level is, I'm on YouTube live right now, Daniel Holmes Trades, and you can see the full screen there. Hey, TikTok, check out the chat right now, 3, 2, 1. If you want to see the full screen, just follow that. I can't send links in the chat, it doesn't let me, I don't know why. So I got 6 minutes over here for this candle closure. Guys, I really am hoping this turns, I would like this candle to turn red. We need some sort of red candle to be printed here. Yeah, so see Lee in the chat over here, you guys. Bro, when I first started trading, I used to do like that. When the market went up a lot, I would click sell because I would assume that it would come down. And like I keep referencing this because of someone that put that idea into my head a lot is Tom Hogard, who wrote The Best Loser Wins. And he frequently outlines in this the fact that most amateur traders lose because they try to take sells when the market moves up and take buys when the market moves down, because the mental part of it is, well, I want to get it at a cheap price, right? I want to find the top and I want to find the bottom of these trades so I can hold it forever. And it just doesn't work like that, bro, unfortunately. Like, you might get lucky here and there, but are you trading for luck or are you trading because you're trying to learn the skill set? What's happening to the yen? I don't know. You tell me. Let's have a look. Wow. Yeah, someone was saying they want to take buys as well. Oh, yeah. But the yen moves like this, man. It has these big pullbacks. I used to trade it a lot when it was before it had this massive dip. I used to trade it up here. And then a massive sell-off. And it just kept going. Yeah. People that master that pair, like, I think that would go pretty good. But then you look at gold, like, look at gold, man, it just moves, bro. So let's hang out for a little bit and just see if some sort of support gets printed over here, you guys. Oh, 11k likes on TikTok and nearly 100 follows. Gang. Gang over here. Brilliant book, man. He has a YouTube series worth watching too. Okay, Tom Hogard. Yeah. Yeah, I've seen him on YouTube. He's really good, right? Yeah, so no, I can't do anything until some sort of red candle gets printed right now, because right now it's just floating and there's no support. It feels shaky and unpredictable when there's no support for me. And plus, I've already passed a challenge today. I keep just name dropping it. I just love to look at this email. But I still feel fresh. Like I could take another trade as long as my playbook kind of shows up. Check 5 minute. I'll check for your sake, but I don't care about it. Yeah, it doesn't mean anything. Doesn't mean anything. It's not a strong enough confirmation for me. But if you're a 5 minute bandit, maybe it's showing something for you. Sell, bro, said Dark N. Bro, if you can tell me why it's a good opportunity to sell, I will sell right now. If you can write in the chat why taking a sell right now is a good reason, I'll take a sell. Yep, I'll do it. I'll put my funds on the line for Dark, capital N. Order block. I don't care about ICT stuff. Yeah. Oh, I'm on the 15-minute time frame over here, bro. New York session potential sell, maybe, but this is so. Yeah, Yasmi, just get sells out of your mind, guys. Get sells out of your mind, because you can say New York session maybe sells. Let's go to the weekly candle. We know that each day there's 3 sessions: Asia, London, and New York. Look what's happened every session. Up. Let's just delete that. Let's just delete red out of our mind and just look at what the market's showing us. And right now it's showing it's moving up. Cool. I'm looking at buys then. That's it. I don't care what it might do. I don't care. Or maybe it's ready to pull back. Who gives a shit? Right now it's moving up. And that's all that matters. What time frame are you on? 15. Dan, how is the challenge different than any other challenges you passed? This is the first challenge I passed. This is the first one, my dude. That's why I'm making such a scene about it. Brother, oh, Zeke, what up? My do-rag. But I'll tell you one thing, Mikey. So this was a phase 1. You had to get 10% on the account. 10%. You had to have 3 days of profitability, and you couldn't risk, like, I think 1% was the max you could risk. Like the leverage amount is relatively low. It was much harder than I thought. I won't be doing a 1 pass phase thing again. You can tell it's set up to fail. Like, it was difficult. It was. Andy, do you mean are you fresh in the game? Like, how fresh are you? Check the world news. All right, I'll type in news. I already know that the red folder news is until like 11 p.m. tonight. Yeah, there's nothing going on. Nothing that's going to affect the gold. Are you waiting for a pullback to enter a trade? I'm waiting for a red candle to be printed, which it's going to happen in 30 seconds if this can continue to push down a little bit more. 30 seconds until this candle closes, so let's see if this can print red. Congrats on your passing challenge. Thanks so much. Thank you so much. Appreciate that heaps. Where did you get your trading knowledge from? I just started a week ago. Oh, incredible. New trading. So, okay, so this answers 2 questions in one. I started here, babypips.com, right? It's not going to blow your hair back, but there's a free course here you can do. Do the free course to understand what these markets even are, bro. And then come back to me and I'll talk to you more about strategy. I wouldn't even worry about strategy or anything like that just yet. All right, I'm going to have a look over here. So what's the 30? Oh, is that a 1 hour? No, what am I'm tripping out. Okay, so a 15 just closed red. So we've got a resistance level now, you guys. We have a resistance level now. I won't put any text there just yet. We have a resistance level. What's the 30 look like? I'm gonna hang out. Like this new candle just opened up. I'm gonna hang out for a bit, and then I'm gonna tell you what I'm looking for. I'm gonna tell you what I'm looking for. I'm gonna hang out for a bit. No worries, Andy. It's a sell, guys, says Shelly. Shelly, you've been stuck on sells this whole chat. 600 pips down, okay. Ukraine attack so quite hard on impressive patience. Yeah, let's just wait, because I know exactly what I need to see. Anything outside of what I need to see is just me being impatient and just, what's the point? Like, I might as well go to the casino. I'm trying to execute a game plan. I know what the game plan is, so I'll just wait until my setup presents. Other than that, I'll just lose. Doing the good old freaking the good old jump around maneuver. Because the thing you always got to ask yourself, RJ, is you've got two pains. You've got the pain of not taking a trade or the pain of losing a trade. And I'd much rather the pain of losing a trade. You had me at casino. Yeah, I actually went to the casino on the weekend. Yeah, see, I lost $100 at the casino in like 10 minutes. Casino is not good. What's the 30? Looking like it's some sort of pullback. There's no need to react to like these movements. Like, remember, everything that's being printed right now can flip the other way and turn into a wick. Like, let's not have any type of reaction to just simple movements. Won't lie, I love the casino. Yeah, I can't lie either. It's pretty fun until you... I lost $100 before I even had my first drink. So that was rough. TikTok, if you're not in the Discord, join the Discord, man. We're firing on all cylinders in the Discord. It's in my bio over there on TikTok. You don't even have to leave the stream. If you click join Discord, the stream stays open. Are you looking for buys after a retracement? I would prefer buys. So check this out. Just say this candle printed exactly how it is here. The next one comes up, breaks out of this zone. Next one wicks down and pushes up. I'll take a buy about there. That's one option I'm looking at, but I don't like to make these types of assumptions too early because the candle's still pretty fresh. A lot can change. What do you think about XRP? I have no idea what that is. If it's anything to do with crypto, I don't care. If it crosses the FVG, it's a huge sell. So let's see. That's a crystal ball statement over there, Shelley. You don't know anything about the universe. I'll be back in 1 sec. I got pre-workout in this drink. Because I come to the desk prepared. Oh, thank you for the follow over there on TikTok, Billy Black. Thank you for the follow over there on TikTok, Non-Gram. Thank you for the follow over there on TikTok, Zubidia. Gang. Thank you for the follow over there on TikTok, Joseph. Wow, 13k likes and nearly 100 followers. TikTok, if you get me to 100 followers, I'll love the life I lead. You need to start teaching on TikTok lives. Yeah, I'll teach. I'll teach in accordance to people asking questions. I think I do that. I think I do that. Do. Man, I got a lot of gifts over here. Yazzie and... Yeah, wow. Do more content videos, Dan. What type of content videos? I'm going to do a lot this week. Like basic. Okay, interesting. Interesting, okay. Yeah. Support and resistance. Yeah, that's a good idea, Dilawai, actually. Yeah. You might be onto something there. Taking entries and shit. Yeah. I can't say that out loud. Graffiti will get me banned. I don't know, hack. Trend lines. No, I don't use trend lines. Impulse entries, yeah. Things like that. Yeah, you might be right there. So what I said before is depending on how this candle closes, I'm looking for some sort of breakout above now, potentially. I'm looking for some sort of breakout above and then taking a buy after that. Right? This is what I've been looking for each time, but what's happened each time? Essentially exactly what we're looking at here has happened down here and down here, right? But instead of that breakout above, it didn't break out, it just kept going. So I missed my opportunity. If it does that again, I'll happily miss my opportunity again, and that's all good. TJR in the chat, fire. Isn't TJR like the TikTok streamer? But I know everyone, can someone check if that's the real TikTok streamer? Because I know someone in the chat once was called Raja Banks. And I was like, oh man, it's Raja. And it's just like anyone can have any name in the chat in TikTok. Someone said nope. Yeah, anyone can just have anyone's name, eh? Fake. Yeah. That's alright. The only person I would froth over is if it was Raja. I don't like these young TikTok traders, to be honest. Not that I don't like, it's like, it gives me a weird feeling. Now it's getting there, getting ready. What do you mean, Shays? Getting ready for what? Raja Biddy at the summit. Yeah, that's true. He is, right? Yeah, I've seen that. What time frame? 15-minute time frame over here. Oh, thank you for the follow over there, Mox on TikTok. Mox dropped a follow on TikTok. Hey TikTok, if you don't like looking at your TikTok screen or whatever, if you like just have a stream in the background, I'm on YouTube right now. Daniel Holmes Trades on YouTube live right now. You can see the full screen and you can just kind of have your phone chilling or whatever. Gang. For it to bounce back. I never said I was waiting for that. Oh, did I say I was waiting for that, Shays? No. So this was the other opportunity, you guys. I did say that, didn't I? If it does this, if it comes down like this, right? And then the next one comes down like this with a smaller body than the previous one. And then the following one after that opens up green, closes green. And then the following one wicks down and pushes up. Then I'll wait for like this is called the onion trade, right? And the whole premise of it is knowing that an uptrend moves like this. Higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. So if this is one of the higher highs, this is one of the higher lows, and then we're expecting that continuation back up, I'll catch it off that bounce up. And I know what type of candles I want printed around a support level in order to catch that type of trade. Do you trade the 5-minute time frame? Absolutely not. No, not at all. It's not a strong enough confirmation for the way in which I trade. I don't even like to look at it because somebody said before, I'll look at the 5-minute. I'll look at it like for 1 second. I don't like to look at it because I don't want it to infiltrate my mind with false promises. Which time frame is this? 15. Which country are you from? Australia. So we've got 4 minutes over here for this candle to close. Let's see what happens. But alternatively, yeah, I'm still open for a breakout after this candle closes. Right? You guys, check this out. And this is no cap, as the kids would say. My niece says, no cap, Riz, Ohio. Apparently Ohio is the same. Like, bro, it's just like a state, isn't it? But anyway, so it happened here once. It happened here again. We had a level of support, resistance. I was waiting for a breakout, but both times the candle left without any indication. Like, it didn't close above, it just kept going. So if I get a breakout here, waiting for the same thing, that's what I'm waiting for. I'm just hoping it doesn't leave again without that breakout. And if it does, cool, my hands are tied. It is what it is. Call it a day. So I've got two options over here that I'm kind of waiting for. Riz Ohio. Riz Ohio, freaking Venom tax. Oh, thank you for the follow over there on TikTok, Addy and Vacona. How long have you been in the trading world? By the way, my English is bad. I hope you understand what I mean. No, it was perfect. 2.5 years, bro. 2.5 years. Do you make a trade today? Take a trade today? No, not just yet. Not just yet. Oh, I did on my funded account. I got this. I passed this funded today, but that was in the Asia sesh. That wasn't on live. W, yeah. Very happy. What account size is it? 25K. But this account that I'll be trading on today is 100K. How many pips typically? Bro, 15 will be good. 20 is better. 30 is incredible. But I'll typically, bro, if I get like clean 15, 18 pips, I'll take 90% of the trade, move stops to break even, and let the rest run. What broker did you use? Top one fund, or top one trader. Yeah, it's a 15-minute time frame. How much you funded in total? 25K. Once I pass this 100K, then 125K. So you only enter breakouts. No, I printed out two options that I'm looking for here. I'm looking for a bounce potentially off this up, or I'm looking for a breakout here. So I've got a couple of options here. If for whatever reason, if this decides to take off and leave no clues and see you later, cool, I'll call it a day. And if it decides to go down, actually if it goes down, I'll hang out for a bit, but because I think it will come back up. Show price. Jump on Daniel Holmes Trades on YouTube. I'm live there right now. You can see the whole screen with price and everything. I can't fit it all on TikTok screen. I'm not a wizard like that. What strategy are you using? The strategy that I found in a cave in the Tibetan hills of Alaska. There was, I had to walk for days, right? And I was starving. And it was a blizzard. And I found a cave, and engraved in the walls were charts and patterns, and I deciphered it after years following clues through a series of riddles that spanned over weeks. I found this strategy. Oh man, see, I'm getting delusional, bro. The market's going to get fucking crazy. Isn't there an order block? I don't care about any of that, bro. Sorry. I don't know order blocks or FEGs or LBKs or SMGs. I don't know anything. I just price action and candles. I'm new gold trader. I used multi-bank exchange. How do you know where to put the closure lines? So I'll show you, bro. It's pretty simple. So you gotta pay attention to the area in which is in front of you the most, right? So the lowest I'll go is a 15-minute time frame, and that's where I'll place my support zone. Support, it's going to keep doing that. Support is essentially where red and green candles are printed next to each other. So now support has been formed. Cool, that's locked there. And resistance is the same, but on the top end. So right now we're in between in the middle of this range. And there's nothing I can do until it gets closer to one of these ranges. Because if I enter a buy or a sell right now in the middle of this range, my stop loss has to be so far away that it wouldn't make sense to do that, right? And plus, I know that to get the clearest indication of what direction it wants to go next, I need it to gravitate and act a certain way around one of these key levels. And in terms of where you actually place the line, it's not at the candle closure, but it's not at the candle closure, but it's not at the top of the wick either. It's kind of just about there, like just kind of closer to the candle closure, but just above it type shit. And it's not this exact price as well. It's a zone, right? It's a price range. So it's really that. I should really be leaving like that there. It's a range. Hope that makes sense. Nah, did the Mungs show the strategy? What's a Mung? Can I start a small layers? What does that mean? You guys, honest, I'm not trying to roast you, but like, I've never been in a group chat and asked weird shit. Like, I'd be, man, because I grew up trading. When I learned trading, I followed live streamers, and I would, whenever I got the opportunity, would ask questions about, man, I want to see if this person's opinion is on this actual trading subject, right? But when you just say in the chat, buy or sell, it's like, bro, go to the casino. What are you doing here, right? Joined and followed. Oh, thank you, Brain and Logic. Appreciate that, gang. How come you don't invest in crypto? Because I use trading as a skill set and a profession that I'm trying to acquire as a long-term financial source, and crypto would be more of a short-term kind of casino route, and I'm in this for a skill set and a long-term gain. How do you identify fake outs and avoid fake outs? Good question. So I have a few rules. One is, if we're moving in an uptrend and you get some sort of impulsive move to the downside, right? And you're like, oh, it kind of ticks like a few of my boxes. Let me take it. That's one, because you're going against the trend, right? Two, if there's a lot of wicks to the left, if this is a high rejection zone. There's a few things, it's kind of hard. I would have to go into more detail, and it's also circumstantial. But yeah, I've got a few different things that that need to be ticked in order to help avoid fake outs. And you've also got to ask yourself, there's two different types of fake outs, right? There's a fake out like this, where a candle actually comes down, a 15-minute candle comes down and actually closes, but it will typically close with a small bottom wick, right? You'll usually almost always see it close with a small bottom wick, and then it actually reverses and closes back in the range, right? There's that type of fake out, or there's a fake out that comes down, you're in a sell, sick, yeah, this is dope, and then it turns into this, right? It turns into that, a wick. So yeah, there's a few different things. One is going against the trend, and two is it a high rejection zone to the left-hand side, and three, did I wait for strong closed candle confirmations before I took the sell? Hey Dennis, that'll be your first fund. Are you going to be doing anything differently? Absolutely not, bro. Absolutely nothing differently. No. I'll just stick to what got me to the dance, right? Yeah, that's the plan, bro. But my plan with the funded as well is just, as soon as I can withdraw, I'm withdrawing. I need these motherfucking markets to just give me something back, right? I think that'll be like a good moment to actually just take something back from the market instead of always giving it shit. Where are you from? Brisbane, Australia. We are not. Oh, thank you for saying that. View replies 169. Yes, that's exactly right. Your account funded now? This account, This account is, but the one that I'm trading on is still, it's 100K challenge. Wayne, love from South Africa, love from Australia. How about that? We are all loving each other over here. Wow, 15K likes and 111 follows on TikTok. Dewey. Profits in the likes and follows. So we've got 8 minutes, man. We need right now we're in the middle of this range. Right, we're in the middle of a range. What are you gonna do? Nothing. There's nothing that's clear. Like today's been a very day of like, you have to be patient over here, you guys. Today is a day of patience. Today is the day that a lot of new traders get chopped up and beat up today because they're impatient. Like, oh, it's moved up, but no, it's moving down. Oh, I'm taking a sell. It's moved up so much, it has to keep coming down now. Oh no, it's hit and resist. I'm going to take a buy now. It's like, no. Slow down. Let's just chill out for a sec and wait for a clear opportunity. What are you trading right now? I'm not going to answer that, actually. I'm not going to answer that. Finally got into the Discord. Oh, okay, sweet. Don't answer. Bro, new people that come to this will be like, this dude's such a dick. What's the patience for trading the 2Ps? 2Ps? Oh no, I am Ekas Intikia said sell or buy. No. Oh, and she made me break my freaking mic. I don't know what I need. Take profit, please, said Theo. Theo? Alright, so we've got some 30 close like that. 1 hour, close strong bullish, but it's rejecting. Alright, so I've drawn up what I'm looking for if it comes to this support level over here. So let's just see what happens over here. Yeah, Bitcoin's definitely getting to 100K. 100% it is. This week, I reckon. Do you go live every day? Yeah, I go live every day, Wayne. Every day. So I'm on TikTok right now live, and I'm also on YouTube live right now. YouTube has the full screen. Just type Daniel Holmes Trades into YouTube. And yeah. But yeah, I was saying before, I still watch trading streams. Like, I like to be on the charts and just have a stream in the background a lot of the time as well. I don't get as much time to do it now, but that's why I do it on YouTube as well, because like it's good to just kind of have a stream chill in the background. Do you trade micros? Yeah, I'll trade about 25 micros on a 100K account, just so I can take off partials easy as well. I think that equates to about 500, give or take, depends on where you are. Which streamer you watch? Probably Raja Banks, bit of Nick Stewart. That's about it. That's really it, actually. Mainly Raja is who I used to watch a lot. And it's because he's kind of entertaining as well. And Nick's like, it seems like a good person. He's got like that religious twang to it as well, which is cool. But he trades a different session to me. Wow, 187 people over here. Drop a follow if you're not over there, TikTok. I'm live here every day, so you don't miss it. We're really doing it out here. Unemployment claims, expectations, have no idea. No one does either. Thank you for the follow over there on TikTok. No, I'm not going to try and say names. Grab over here. I think an individual needs more patience to live stream than to trade. Yeah, it can feel like that sometimes. Somebody's calling me on WhatsApp on a really weird number over here I've never seen. Should I answer? Hello? 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 No, I guess not. Yeah, no one's ever really called me on WhatsApp before. That's weird. Why don't you use trend lines? Because it's not something that's... It's not something I use anymore. That's the only reason. No, I'm not in buyers. So we've got 3 minutes over here for this candle to close. Let's see what can happen. Do you have an indicator that you use? No, I have a naked chart, just price action, candlestick formation, patterns, fucking all that kind of good stuff. You guys really need to, this is the perfect time in trading history that it's going to be very important to really understand candlesticks, you guys, and just clean charts, price action. All right. Fuck all the indicators, bro. Let's be honest, you guys. Take profit for sell, somebody said in the chat over here. But is gold going to buy really? Well, you tell me. So you're saying that in a sense like, really? Is gold looking for buys? Hey, bro. What? Are you seeing this? You seeing this? Yeah, gold buys. Really? Really? Bro. I don't know. We'll have to wait and see. But all I know is the market's been moving up, and if it goes down, cool. I'll actually not look for a sell at all, to be honest, today. It's been too aggressively upwards. This is your first time trading? Give me advice, please. Wow, incredible. My advice would be to keep coming back to this stream and keep taking little nuggets that you can from it. I would say that. Because there's nothing I can tell you right now. You're too fresh. Like, I don't know where you're at, what you are, and all this kind of stuff. Shelley, I think you're getting your pip count mixed up. 600 pips? Do you mean 6 pips or 60, maybe? Oh, love you from South Australia, mate. Amazing. Khalid, amazing. Thanks for being here, bro. Provision PT. I can't deal with the stupid comments on TikTok. Bro, I'm sorry. No, like, oh man, people are just gonna think I'm a fucking asshole. Do you have a referral code? No, I'll have some stuff coming up soon though. I was meant to have a couple of accounts that I was going to give away. These prop firms are worse at paying out people than they are to sticking to what they say. They gave me a free account and were also like, yeah, give them to your community and shit. But they never gave me the community ones. They just gave me one. I'll have to hit them up. I'll have to chase that up, to be honest. Join the Discord, TikTok. Just so aggressively. Join the Discord. I don't even sell anything. I just like to be able to like have other traders in the community and like talk shit, really. Please explain the importance of time zones. I don't know what you mean by time zones. Do you mean different session times? All right, so this candle's about to close over here in 20 seconds. Oh, you guys, man, it's fucking... I drew up before what I'd be looking for if it were to come down to this level. It didn't come down. It's stuck in the middle here. It's stuck in the middle here. And I'm going to be 100%. Today's Thursday, and today is the day that we exercise patience and professionalism to the nth degree, because right now we're still stuck in the middle of this range and there's no clear indication if it wants to go up or down. And I know people are like, this dude just looks at the screen. Bro, there's nothing I can do. I have to be patient over here and wait for a range to be, for price to gravitate to one of these ranges here, man. Yeah. The market, it's only been London open for an hour and a half type shit. Like, Damn, TikTok, I'm nearly at 20k likes. If you guys could spam the likes, that would mean a lot. That'd mean a lot. Oh, Emil, hi from Namibia. Love your stream sessions. Oh, I appreciate that a lot, bro. I appreciate that a lot. Thank you, brother. Thank you, brother. Maybe after the US session will move aggressively. It's moving aggressively. Are you looking for a sell? Absolutely not. The market's moving up aggressively. I'm looking for a buy. If a sell opportunity arises below this level, I'll call it a day. I'm not looking for a sell at all today. What do you think today's unemployment claims news? I don't know. No one knows. Who cares? Oh, I just got 1,000 likes in like 30 seconds here on TikTok. It was at 17. Now it's 18. Wow. Volume seems very low. Nah, man, it's pushing. It's doing its thing. It's definitely doing its thing, man. It's just tap the screen and the charts will move. Importance of sessions. Importance of sessions is very important because that's when the most high volume is, right? That's when the highest volume is. So these days on gold, it typically seems like every session has a lot of volume. The Asia session, it doesn't seem to have them as the same amount of volume in terms of like a candle will be really long bodied, but it moves aggressively, right? It does move. London, I think, is in between, and New York is like these big aggressive kind of moves. So it's really about finding what session suits your time, really. Like, when can I trade around work or family or whatever responsibilities you have. Oh wow, look at this on TikTok. I got 20,000 likes over here on TikTok. Incredible. Thank you for that, you guys. That's amazing. Hopefully the algorithm, TikTok algorithm, just spams me all over everyone's Explorer page, and I get more really good questions about buy or sell. I blow up my account again. Oh, issue, brother. Well, whenever someone says in this chat, I always say the same thing. There's nothing that I can say that's going to make you feel better. All I can say is, brother, it's going to be best interest to just review. All you can do is review and try and get better. Are you waiting for a candle to break the line and look for a buy? Asia session on the Discord. I could share my analysis for the Asia session on the Discord if people wanted it. Yeah. I need new followers. You guys should follow, and I can give you free signals daily. Shelly, come on. You guys, someone named Shelly in the chat's going to give you free signals. So I drew up before what I was looking for over here. If this were to come down, it's pretty ugly, but yeah, let me draw this. I guess what's a 30 look like? Yeah, I'm sorry, I'm not sorry, but like today's been a bit of a tricky one. It's kind of dancing around, and I'm gonna let this candle breathe for a bit here, and then I'll tell you what I might look for. No, Dilawar, if there are a couple of people like, hey man, do you have analysis for Asia session? I'll give a full breakdown. I'll do it more than a screenshot. Never give up, bro. We all blown accounts. Eventually it will fall. Yep, exactly, bro. We've all blown accounts. I've blown multiple accounts, bro. Multiple. We have jobless claims today. Yeah, it's not for another 4 hours or something. No, don't drop your signals in here. You guys, if you clicked on my actual TikTok page like 3 posts ago, I go on a rant about signals. Me and signals aren't friends over here. So I'll let this candle breathe for a little bit here, and I'll tell you what I might be looking for. Do you trade crypto? No, not at all. No. Thank you for the follow over there on TikTok, Ollie and Zor. Zoryi. Oh, thank you for the follow, Popsy. Thank you for the follow, Matt Holton. So, guys, I'm really looking. Oh man, I'm just gonna wait. These are my. You guys can see where my key areas of interest are. I'm feeling a bit of pressure right now to trade because people have a whinge in the chat and say you're just looking at the screen, but I can't do anything about it. There's nothing that's been presented just yet. I need to wait till one of these zones of interest price kind of gravitates towards a bit more. Saman Sai, what up, my dude? Good to have you here. Big love from Gambia. Thank you. The smiling coast of West Africa. Wow, that sounds so peaceful. Amazing. Screen not visible. What do you mean? If you couldn't trade on gold, what would be your next choice of markets to trade on? Oh, that's an interesting question. Probably GJ. Yeah, probably GJ. Exactly, Colin. Yeah. Are you on stream every day? Yeah, every day, Paul. Every single day, brother. Oh, okay. Awesome, man. Yeah, keep showing up to the stream, brother. For sure. Thank you for the flower over there, Kibi. Do you trade US? No, I only trade gold. Will you be for New York? No. No. The only New York session I might trade is NFP, potentially. Just for entertainment purposes only. Maybe. Would you say all markets move the same? Yeah, pretty much. Like, they obviously move different, but technical analysis is technical analysis. So right now, someone said he'd taken a buy. I might as well just copy this text here because I'm really only looking for buyers today. So I'm looking for a buy at this support level, and I'm also looking for a buy at a break above this level. Right. Put buys maybe at the just for a bounce here. Yeah, exactly. And the New York session is way too late for Australia. That's why I might just do one like every now and then, once a month, NFP, do a bit of just entertaining, just a bit of fun. Trade news. No, I'm not putting maybe sells because sells are off the limit for me today. I'm not trading. I'm not selling at all today. I'm only looking for opportunities to buy. What time frame you trade off? 15 and 30 mainly, but I use all time frames for buy. I don't use anything lower than the 15, but the higher time frames for bias and things like that. So I've got 5 minutes here for this candle to closure. This is an hour and also a 30-minute closure, you guys. What does the hour look like? Hours potentially creating some sort of support here. We could get something good here. We could get something decent here. I would like this to stay up around this area here. Create a bit of hour support just below this resistance level. And then a break above that would be quite juicy. Do not fear. Guys, is there news today? Yeah, but it's not for another 3-4 hours. After baby pips, what's the next step you would recommend? Come back and ask me that once you do it. Because a lot of people won't do it. And then you don't want to be thinking about the next step before you've even finished the first step. I would honestly say that. So I'm just doing a bit of a look here to the left. What's to the immediate left? Yeah, some sort of... There is some sort of shit here to the left. Like, I'm going to hang out. Yeah. I'm going to hang out. We've got news coming up. Like, news is creeping up, you guys. I'll see if something super clean rocks up, but I'll give it one more 15-minute candle after this. And if it doesn't happen, then I'll just call it a day. It's a no trade day. It's fine. I'd rather that than lose. Oh, this is a good question here. I thought every long wick means retracement. That's actually not true, right? There's a difference between like okay, retracement is probably the right word. Sorry, I thought you meant rejection. Like you could think, I thought every wick means rejection because I used to think that. But it's not necessarily the case. There's a difference between a wick, which means just kind of like range is being created, and a wick and wicks that indicate rejection, like it's rejecting off that area. And it's important to kind of identify the difference. What time are you coming on the live every day? I'll be on the live every day at London Open. So whatever time that is for you around wherever you live, London Open. No, I don't trade the New York sesh. I take it you didn't work today? Yeah, I worked. It's the afternoon. It's the nighttime here now. So got a couple minutes here for this closure. It's going to be a 31 hour and 15 closure. Oh, 1% followed me on TikTok. Thank you, bro. You are him. 2 minutes for this closure. We'll see what happens. Thank you for the follow, Agata, Phil Pike. What time is? Damn, your patience is good, bro. I just keep sticking to the fact I know exactly what has to happen. Like, I can't do anything until it happens. Because if I do, the probability of me losing the trade is so much higher. And then I'm just gonna be like, dude, why didn't I just stick to the plan of waiting for clear confirmation? Do not fear. In YouTube chat, just type into Google Forex Factory. And you can see when the red folder news here is on wherever you are in the world. So the red folder here for Australia and Brisbane is 11:30 p.m. tonight. Unemployment claims. Alright, so this candle wants to push up over here. Long here. No, we'll just have to wait for this candle closure and make a decision. What's this range? I'm not the biggest fan that's pushed all the way from down there, but we'll see. Oh, is this a... Oh, it's a 4-hour closure as well, you guys. Very interesting. And the 4-hour closed at a pretty interesting level where this prior 4-hour had a massive body. So we've got a couple of minutes here. So this particular candle didn't break out. It closed just below. All right, guys. So this is what's happening. This is exactly what I'm doing right now. Unless this, I want this candle to look exactly like this. Ready? Exactly like that. Or something like that. And then after that, I'll either take an impulse buy at the break up here or something else. I'm going to hang out for this 15 minute. If it doesn't give me exactly what I want, I'm just going to call it a day. It's really that simple. Like, there's no super clear opportunities has arisen today. Like, there's been volume. It's kind of pushed it past and this and that. So I'm not going to force anything. I'm just going to stay. I'm not going to get impatient. Be like, oh, I've been sitting here. I haven't got a trade. Like, whatever, bro. We'll come back tomorrow. The market's not going anywhere. Type shit. This candle will break. Yeah, it might break, but will it close up there or not is the question. And even if it does, like, I won't take this. So, you know, I'm looking for a break, please. If this candle here breaks like that, and I'm saying I'm looking for a breakout above this zone, can anyone in the chat tell me why? And let's say the next one wicks down and I go, oh, it's starting to flip back up. I might, like, my plan was to take a sell there. Can anyone tell me why this would be a bad idea? I would love to know if anyone could tell me why this would be a bad idea. Because let me black this out real quick. Hasn't broken fully because it's already high but still considered medium risk. I'll tell you why I wouldn't. Inverted candle. Maybe all of those are relevant, but the particular reason why I personally wouldn't is because there's two main reasons. One, this is a 70 pip range. It's moved green without creating any support for 70 pips. So then you got to ask yourself, what's the probability it's going to continue up? Two, not only did it move 70 pips, but the candle bodies got smaller. We know when candle bodies get smaller, that indicates that we're losing volume, right? So not only have we moved up 70 pips without creating support yet, the candle bodies are getting smaller. And I know if we need volume in order to break out and push strong in the up direction, then I want indications of volume picking up, not slowing down. That's why when it came up here and I said, I want to see a red candle printed up here first, it's because once we get up here and we create support, I know we've fueled up a little bit, and if we break above, then I know we've got enough fuel. We haven't moved 70 pips. The 1 hour closure. Yeah, maybe the 1 hour as well. I didn't even pay attention to that. Okay, but what about the little green body on the screen? It's broke after that. Little green body, it's broke after that. It broke out after that. I don't know what you mean. Sorry, bro. Good knowledge. Thank you, brother. Yeah, I've just noticed, like, things like that are really important. The way you explain it's brilliant. Oh, I appreciate that. I'm glad that that made sense. Yeah, candle bodies tell a lot of a story, you guys. If they're getting smaller, it means they're losing volume, especially if it's come all the way from here and moved up. You want a bit of support to be created first. So let's be patient a little bit longer and see if this can print red. And then I think, let's look at the time over here. And then I think if this doesn't print red and give me what I want to see, it's going to be worth calling it a day, you guys, because what happens before high impact news is the market tends to get a bit choppy, right? It starts to be kind of ugly and choppy. So I don't want to get caught in any chop. Looks like the candles are going slow. Maybe, yeah, like we have moved a decent bit and we got the news and shit. Well, I think there could still be one more opportunity for a bit of volume here. Well, there could be heaps, but we'll see. So it means So it means losing volume, not it can't decide if it's sell or buy win. I don't know what you mean, brother. Sorry, I don't know what you mean, bro. Oh, thank you for the follow over there on TikTok, carry_yoi_key. E-Trade newsletter, no. So I speak about this a fair bit on the stream as well, is like mental fatigue is a real thing. Like I can tell I'm starting to feel a bit mentally fatigued. There's absolutely no way I'd want to move into the New York session with this type of mental fatigue. Like you don't think about it, but it is quite fatiguing to be on the charts, like looking and really trying to plan. And especially if you're entering trades, you're using real emotional investment. AL, do you use MyFX books for news? No, I use Forex Factory in terms of trying to identify when news is going to hit, if that's what you mean. Oh, let's have a look at this one more time, you guys. Congratulations, you have passed your challenge. Oh, it's so good. More pre-workout. Bro, you read my mind. This is pre-workout, you guys. Gang. Oh, wow. Sassy in the chat there. You passed. Yeah, bro. I passed one of these. I passed a 25K over here. I passed it today. Very good moment. Very good moment to be alive. How would you sleep, broski, after all this caffeine? Oh, I've been drinking caffeine my whole life. It doesn't affect me like that anymore, hey. Because I have a coffee every morning, then I have pre-workout still when I train, because I train every day as well. What time of the day do you typically start trading? Afternoon. Afternoon is when London Open is for me. What's this candle? I've got 7 minutes left here. A lot can happen in 7 minutes. Oh, wow. Incredible, Jay. What broker? I don't know. Is it worth for a sell? Zizzy. It's worth for a sell if you join my Discord in my link in my bio. There's a link tree in my bio. Join my Discord. Do you have a YouTube channel? Yeah, I'm live on YouTube right now. Bro, it's so much better on YouTube than TikTok. Just write Daniel Holmes Trades into YouTube. Like, check this out, you guys. Let's have a look real quick. See this? Daniel Holmes Trades. Oh, look at this. He's live. Oh, no, that's an old one. Oh, no, this is it. Yeah. So, see how it's got the full screen and shit? Anyway. The link, please. The link is in my bio on TikTok. What's your lot size when you trade, or does it differ? It differs. It depends on your account and the quality of the setup and stuff. Goldie, I'm with a few different ones. Top Step, Funded Next, fucking, why do I keep forgetting what this one's called? Top One Trader. So look at this, it's rejecting pretty hard here, you guys. But still got 5 minutes, so a lot can happen in 5 minutes. Doi. Cheers, pleasure is mine, broad. What's the biggest you lost and win? Not much, doesn't matter. I don't know. Nothing. I don't know. Oh, look at this on YouTube. I don't know. Mosin just joined from TikTok. Gang, brother. See how it's better on? I think it's better on YouTube. Because you can just chill your phone. You don't have to like have TikTok open. Oh wow! Thank you for the follow, Yasmin, Jason, Natty. What's your strat? I have a few different entries, brother. I have a few different. In this particular instance, I'm looking for a breakout, so a close above this key zone of resistance, and then take a buy, basically. So in an ideal world, see how this candle right now is rejecting down relatively hard? Let me black this out real quick. I need this candle to very soon wick up and close like this, right? And then the following candle break out from there like this, and then the one after that wick down, break out, and I take a buy right there. That's exactly what I'm looking for right now. If this candle continues down and closes somewhere down here, I'm done for the day, you guys, because we have news coming soon, and that's it. There's nothing you can do about it. Some days you just don't get a trade, and that's completely fine. Professionals wait for their exact setup, and if a setup doesn't arise, that's all good. That's all good, bro. Where did you learn about trading? Oh, I talked about this before. I traveled through the mountains of Switzerland and found a cave, and in the cave was a chest, and in the chest was, you know, this text that was, oh, look at this candle rejected right up. No, I don't know. Where did you learn about trading? Where did you learn about trading? Like as in, like, heard about it the first time? It's a strategy. Go from Mount Everest. Yeah. Yes. Thank you, Yazin. Your money is better in your pocket than giving it to the market. You guys, do you think sitting in front of the market for 3 hours and not finding a clean setup is going to affect me? I don't give a shit, bro. Like, I will literally just wait until exactly what I want to see, because I know it's my strategy and it's got the higher probability of success. And if it doesn't happen, sweet, all good. At least I got to exercise my discipline. And a bright light came from the chest. Yes, it's exactly. And the text of the strategy was, you know, carved in Arabic, and I had to kind of decipher it, but I had no technology out there, so I had to learn Arabic. Yeah, it's a long story. Every day is not for a trading day. Exactly, bro. Exactly. It's fine. So I've got 2 minutes over here for this candle closure. It is coming up sort of what I printed, what I wanted to see. Look at the last 2 minutes over here. I like how it rejected up quite aggressively there. So if it does close with a bigger red body here, it shows me that there's still buying moment, like there's still buying pressure. Well, thank you for the follow there on TikTok, Kylie. People run after FOMO. These are the 90% of the traders. Oh, exactly. I don't want to be, I don't know about you guys. No, like this is, let's get real serious for a sec. I don't know about you guys. My biggest fear is being in the 95% of failing traders. And it's very obvious how you can fall into that category. FOMO, overtrading, impulsive trading, retardation. Like, just stay professional. Keep it patient and professional. Oh, nice, Kylie. Nice, nice. Legit graffiti, like seriously. And psychology, exactly. That's obviously the biggest one. Okay, give me a bit more of a bigger body here, Mr. Red Colonel. That'd be great. Congrats on the funded. Thank you, Hidden Ninja. I appreciate that a ton. Needed to hear that, to be honest. I was about to quit. Thomas, bro, what? No, brother. Because here's the thing. It's not like a hidden thing what the 90% do that fail. Like, it's not like, oh man, like what's the reason? We all know. So if you pull the pin on this, you know that you have to at least look in the mirror and say, I'm not pulling the pin on this because this is a scam or it's too hard. It's because I just couldn't stick to the fucking game plan, which is no overtrading, 1 to 2 trades a day, no FOMO, just all the retarded shit. I couldn't stop doing it. And so for that reason, I have to quit. That's it. You do not include tail. But don't quit, brother. Don't quit, brother. Just keep analyzing. I think that's the biggest thing, is just actually collecting data and looking back and be like, yeah, this is what's up. All right, I've got to make I have to make an educated decision here right now. I could take an impulse buy here in a minute. Not right yet. If it takes off right now, then I won't, but let me just see something over here. Need to get my mental game in check. Well, you got to do you know what's not in check? Like, do you know what it is? Right? Do you know, like, actually what's the issue? This is a big 4-hour wick that just created. I like that. I like that the 4-hour has a wick now. I'm thinking of this as a celery play over here. I'm thinking of this as some sort of celery play over here, and I might put a buy stop up here. I'm going to lower my risk a little bit. I'm going to lower my risk a little bit and anticipate volume to push this up. We've had support that's been created at that top end of this resistance level here. And we've seen multiple times what's happened with price. It's kind of hit that level and it's just kind of left without us, which is fine. I'm not taking this based on like, oh, I don't want it to leave without me again. This would be a textbook celery play right here, where there's a support level that's been created right there at that resistance and volume to push it past now. So let me just get this down. I know if I've essentially got a buy order right here, right? And I'd have a stop loss about down here somewhere, and I'll just be looking for a wick fill right here to fill that wick to the left-hand side. How long have you been trading? 2.5 years, bro. Sticking to your rules. Damn, we should have some back testing sessions this weekend. Yes, I'm keen for that. I've got a MT5 simulator. It's a great back testing tool. We could do that in the Discord. Hey, we could pull up the MT5 simulator and have a Zoom call and have a bunch of cats from the Discord in the Zoom call and do some simulation training together. Fuck, that's a really good idea, bro. That's a really good idea. Huh. Yeah, I'm keen for that, actually. I'll write something in the Discord at some point. Could you mentor? I could, but I don't want to do that yet. I have a Discord where I'll just like keep it chill. But I would love to teach, and I would love to show my strategy in a lot of detail and things like that. But not yet. So let's see over here. Well, let me have a look. Let me flick through some of these time frames again. 10 minutes before the 30 closure. 10 minutes before the 30 closure. It's got a big old wick. I'll tell you what I will do. If this does tag me in, I'm going to move my... I'm going to move stops to break even pretty quick, to be honest, you guys. I'm going to move stops to break even pretty quick. No, just funded accounts. I'm on it to the 15-minute, 30, 1 hour, and 4 hour and daily. The 4 hour is probably like extremely important for like direction. 1 hour, whatever. 30-minute, cool. And 15. Are you in a buy position? No, I've got a buy stop above this zone here though. We've come up, a lot of upward volume, We've created some support here. This is a celery play over here, and I'm just anticipating some volume to push it up. But if it does, I'll be moving my stops to break even really quick, because it's kind of, I feel like, yeah, we've got news coming up soon, and it's not the best. I like what it's doing now. I like that it's pushing down, and if it rejects off from here, it gives me a bit more confidence that, hey, at least it's tried to push down again, and it still didn't want to go down. That gives me a bit more confluence. I'll put a line here. Yeah. But I'll give it another 4 minutes to flip. And if it doesn't, I'll cancel the order. Because the 30 closes soon, and I don't want to be caught in the opening of the next one. What's your best advice? My best advice is... Oh, I just feel like saying the most degenerate things. I don't know what you mean, bro, in terms of what? I've joined your Discord, brother, and been reading up on the beginning baby pips you recommend. Amazing energy. Amazing. Smash it, brother. Just keep punching through. Remember, the baby pips course isn't going to... Like, it's free. It teaches me a lot about the fundamentals of what these markets are. And best advice for managing your risk. Well, it depends. It's strategy dependent risk management. That's the only issue. I know for myself, when I'm in a trade, I'm anticipating volume, and I'll look to take off size if it starts to look ugly in certain ways and things like that. Do you trade every day? Yeah, I'm here on the London session every day. You guys, I'm going to give this 2 minutes to flip up and take me into an order. If it doesn't, I'm going to call it a day. It's been a day of just fucking exercising discipline and patience, really, if that's the case, and that's fine. That's fine. I'm not going to be part of the 90% of failing traders that take impulsive trades because they've been sitting in front of the charts for a couple of hours. I don't know about you guys. And I've said it a couple of times. I'm not going to lie. I do feel a bit of pressure to take a trade because I'm on stream, but I'm not going to do that unless it's my actual textbook playbook setup. Why would I do that? What's your buy stop? What do you mean? No trade for you. No trade day for you either, Dilawar. Yeah, good shit, man. Like there's been a couple opportunities, but it kind of volume has kind of pushed it away before that opportunity was clear. It was kind of like get in or get out. It was more like impulse buy type setups. All right, I'm canceling this order, you guys. Oh, that's all right. I don't know about you guys, but I passed the challenge today, so I'm going to go to bed pretty fulfilled. Who gives a shit? Yeah, just no trade day. We're able to exercise discipline. It is what it is. I'll be back tomorrow during the London sesh. Hopefully we get an opportunity then. That's all. What are you trading on, brother, so I can try a demo version on that platform? Trading View. Show us your email before you leave. Congratulations, you have passed the challenge. Woo! Yeah, gang. All right, gang. Love yous all. Thank you for coming to the stream, and I hope to see you guys tomorrow. Love you a lot, and that's it. Thanks, guys.